push on the outlap. Make sure if you can get a position on the outlap and do a pass on track, that can help you much later